Hi guys, I've had a redesign of my plug. It goes together now without any CA, so basically the same as before. I've got a couple of servo leads here. One's the thicker gauge wire, with the other one's the thinner. We'll start off with the little one first. Same deal as before. You take your male plug, and you're going to have your negatives pointing towards the little tab on the side there, and you push them through. Sometimes they may be a bit tight, so you just ease them through with your screwdriver. This one's the same. That one there will come through. Both negatives are on the same side as that pin there. And then your bottom piece, that will fit each side of your two pieces of wire. It will push in a little way, but now you will need just to ease it together with a pair of pliers. So, and they'll push together, and basically that is it. That's that one together. Now to put your female ends together, same as before. This one here, you sit those wires through the gap and push them in, and on the other side we make sure the negatives are around the same way, so they go in. So my negatives are both there. Now those negatives need to point towards that little gap in the top there. So you got your negative at the top on that one, a negative on the top on that one, and that gap. They won't work if they don't go around that way. These ones are a little bit tight too, but they should just clip together, and that's that one together. And we'll bring the two together now. And we still got that nice positive fit. And that's as easy as it is to put these KB connectors together. To get them apart is exactly the same, but in reverse. Thanks guys.